What weapons does Iran have to fight against the United States and Israel? After 9 days of war, Iran continues to claim that it has enough weapons to fight the United States and Israel until the end. Over the past several decades, ongoing tensions and conflicts between Iran on one side and the United States and Israel on the other have pushed Iran to strengthen and expand its military capabilities. In particular, Iran has focused on producing weapons designed to strike its enemies, especially missiles. Because of this, Iran is considered to have one of the largest missile stockpiles in the Middle East. There are two types of dangerous weapons that Iran strongly desires to possess, and that the United States and Israel do not want Iran to have. The first is nuclear weapons, and the second is ballistic missiles. Iran is believed not to have successfully produced nuclear weapons yet. However, Iran has already developed ballistic missiles and has refused to abandon its ballistic missile program, despite it being one of the conditions demanded by the United States during negotiations. Iran has stated that it is willing to negotiate on the issue of nuclear weapons, but it will not eliminate its ballistic missile program. Ballistic missiles are advanced weapons that can carry different types of warheads, including chemical, biological, or even nuclear warheads. According to military experts, Iran currently possesses several types of missiles capable of striking targets up to 2,000 kilometers away. This range allows Iran to reach Israeli territory and many U.S. military bases across the Middle East. Some Iranian missiles are believed to have a range of up to 2,500 kilometers. However, none of Iran's known missiles are capable of reaching the territory of the United States itself. So what kinds of weapons does Iran have to fight against enemies such as the United States and Israel? 1. Short-range ballistic missiles, SRBM. Iran possesses several short-range ballistic missiles, including Shahab-1, range of about 300 kilometers, Shahab-2, range of about 500 kilometers, Zulfiqar, range of about 700 kilometers, Qiyam-1, range of about 700 to 800 kilometers. 2. Medium-range ballistic missiles, MRBM. Iran also has medium-range ballistic missiles, such as Shahab-3, range of 800 to 1,300 kilometers, Imad, range of about 1,700 kilometers, Ghadr-1, range of 1,600 to 2,000 kilometers, Khorramshahr, range of about 2,000 kilometers, Sejjil, range of 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers, Khorramshahr, range of about 1,450 kilometers, Hajj Qasim, range of about 1,400 kilometers. 3. Cruise missiles. Cruise missiles have a special characteristic. They can fly at very low altitudes, making them harder for enemy radar systems to detect and intercept. Even though they fly low, they can still travel long distances. Iran's cruise missiles include Sumar, range of 2,000 to 2,500 kilometers, Ya Ali, range of about 700 kilometers, Quds, range of 700 to 1,000 kilometers, Hoveyzeh, range of about 1,350 kilometers, Paveh, range of about 1,650 kilometers, Ra'ad, range of around 350 kilometers. K-55 cruise missile, originating from Russia or possibly acquired from Ukraine, range up to 3,000 kilometers. Although many types of Iranian missiles are known, The exact number of each missile in Iran's arsenal is not publicly known. Iran's drone strategy. In addition to missiles, Iran has also deployed tens of thousands of drones, especially low-cost drones designed to attack expensive enemy military equipment. In the 2026 conflict with Israel and the United States, Iran has used large numbers of drones to disrupt enemy air defense systems and attack airports, ports, and energy infrastructure. Several countries around the Persian Gulf that host U.S. military bases have also experienced attacks from Iranian drones and missiles. Military analysts believe that Iran's strategy is to use cheap weapons to destroy expensive enemy systems. The Shahed drone series is a good example. Although these drones are cheaper and slower than ballistic missiles, Iran often launches swarms of Shahed drones first to overwhelm enemy air defenses before launching ballistic missiles at their targets. Analysts say that Iran's three-layer attack strategy, drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles, makes it more difficult for U.S. and Israeli air defense systems to respond effectively. However, the United States, Israel, and several Gulf countries such as Qatar claim that their air defense systems can intercept up to 90% of Iranian drones and missiles. Underground missile cities. Destroying Iran's missile stockpiles is one of the main objectives for the United States and Israel in this conflict. However, it is still unclear how many Iranian weapon storage sites have been destroyed. The United States and Israel claim that during the first week of the war, they struck more than 3,000 Iranian targets, including ballistic missile facilities. To avoid destruction, Iran has built underground missile bases, often referred to as underground missile cities. At least 5 such facilities are known, including locations near Khorramshahr, Semnan, and areas close to the Persian Gulf. These underground complexes reportedly contain power systems, missile storage areas, launch platforms, and tunnels used to transport missiles. In 2020, Iran announced that it had launched ballistic missiles directly from underground tunnels. This means that in addition to launching missiles from land bases and ships, Iran can also launch missiles from underground facilities, making it more difficult for enemies to detect and destroy them. Hypersonic missiles. Iran has also developed high-speed missiles, such as Fateh-1 and Fateh-2. These missiles are designed to travel at extremely high speeds. For example, Fateh-2 is believed to reach speeds of over 18,000 kilometers per hour, making interception much more difficult. Iran's air defense systems. Iran also operates various types of air defense systems, although the exact numbers are unknown. These systems include long-range, medium-range, and short-range missile defenses. Long-range air defense systems include Bavar 373 uses the Sayyad-4 missile, designed to intercept aircraft, drones, and missiles. S-300, purchased from Russia, used to intercept aircraft and missiles at high altitudes. Khordad-15. Arman. Medium-range air defense systems include Mersad, Kamen-2, Ra'ad/Tabas, Talash. Short-range air defense systems include a D-08 Majid, Zubin, Yazara, Herds 9, Mezbah 1. These weapons are currently being used by Iran to defend itself against the United States and Israel, particularly at this stage of the conflict where neither side has deployed large ground forces inside Iran. Thank you for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.